Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix slow charging or no charging on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. First of all, it's very important to mention that this tablet has an 11,000 milliamperes per hour battery, which is huge, and it only supports 18 watts charging. There is no fast charging, and 18 watts is not too much for a battery like this. Therefore, it's an issue of it's a design issue basically. So your tablet will charge for hours from 0 to 100% no matter what you do. But we can of course improve the situation here by picking the good cable, preferably the original one that came with your tablet, but any power delivery cable will do. Inspect it for any visible damages. If you don't see any, and that's good, then also check out your charging brick. Make sure that your charging brick supports at least 18 watts charging. As you can see, mine is 20 watts, if you can see it from there, and 20 watt is already enough to charge this device at the max speed. So just connect your charging adapter to the power outlet, to the wall outlet, or to the wall outlet extension, and then insert your cable into the USB-C port, and this will ensure your stable charging. If you want to make your device charge faster, you can also turn it off by pressing power button and volume up key and selecting power off option on your screen. If your device charges in power off state, it will definitely charge faster than it would if you charged it while it's enabled with all the background apps running. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.